What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add Brightway credit card to Google Pay. So adding your Brightway credit card here is really easy. You just need to do a few things. So first things first, you want to open up the Google Pay app here, and this is what you should be seeing. Now it should give you direct details about your card. If you want to add your wallet here or your card, specifically your credit card for Brightway, you just need to click on the Add to Wallet button that you see at the center of your screen, or the Add to Wallet button that you see at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you've pressed or click on it, it should give you this option here. Now there are 5 options that you can choose here, but since we want to add a card, just choose the payment card option. Now, once you've selected payment card here, it's going to ask you to enter all the necessary details here. That includes the card number, the expiry date of that card, and also the CVC or CVV at the back of that card. They also need to provide the name that is associated with that card, also the address for that card. But once you provide all the details and click on the save button, that you will be able to see at the very bottom of the screen, you should be able to add your Brightway credit card. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.